So, a quick recitation, because John wants to wrap this thing up fairly quickly before it starts. So, my grandfather used to do this at parties when he used to come home from sailing years and years ago. My mother told me this. He used to do this recitation at parties when he got a bit drunk. So I'll do it for you now. I learned it off her. She learned it off him, and I learned it off her. And it's called Napoleon's Farewell to His Troops. And nothing funny about that, shall So, farewell, troops. Farewell. Thank you. I was only joking. No, I'll sing, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll sing the song the first funny song that I wrote back in 1985. And I was forced to write it really because the weather was very, very bad. It was a miserable summer, and there was multitudes of long faces all over the country from the terrible rain that we had through that summer. And as a matter of fact, I spent a week down at the Willie Week, and it never stopped raining there. It started on the 5th of July and went on till the end of September, really, day and night, and it was just unbelievable. So I put it together into a song. I had a laugh about it. The air of this song is a traditional air. It's the Banani Rua, and it's interesting air too because in that song there's a lot of internal rhyming in the Irish song, and when I was making the weather song, it fitted in perfectly with the system, and my song now contains internal rhyming as well. So here's the summer of 1985. Well, it's rare I'm inspired or fired by poetic drive, but conditions this year of our Lord 1985 have led me frustrated with hatred of this rain that we've had, for to write down on paper this caper that's driving us mad. Since the 5th of July, the blue sky has never been seen. There's all kinds of damps causing cramps, arthritis and spleen. And farmers all day turning hair, being driven to stout. They run into a bar for a jar, but they never run out. And you'll read in the papers, be japers, that nothing is right. And to add to the fright, sure the potatoes have now gone to blight. The slugs and the snails have grown tails, both hairy and long, and they're eating each cabbage and turnip as they slide along. And the expert in weather, who nightly appears on the screen, he points at the chart with his dart and his face turning green, as he mentions low pressures and measures the strength of the gale. Freak storm is the norm, fork lightning, loud thunder and hail. And in Europe abroad, holy God, alas and alack, there's landslides and floods and other quake, 'tis all the same crack. Snow blizzards abound around Baden in Switzerland high, and all kinds of cats, dogs and mice do descend from the sky. And the people you meet in the street, they're sure to complain. Emigrating, they shout, We're going out to Morocco or Spain. They're being driven astray by the spray and the constant rainfall. Even statues betimes in their shrines are being moved by it all. So we'll drink up one glass, and of summer blue skies we will speak, with mention of days when the haze of the Sunday Jew week next year will be bright. Sure, the light will blind you for life, and we'll forget that bad summer we suffered in 1985. Thank you.